In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online how to make purchases return. If you need to record a purchase return in QuickBooks Online, the good news is that the process is pretty simple once you know which transaction type to use. The key is choosing the right workflow based on how you're getting the refund or credit from the vendor, because that affects both your books and your inventory. To start recording a standard purchase return, click the plus new button and select vendor credit. This is the form you'll use when you're returning products to a vendor and receiving a credit rather than immediate cashback. Once the form opens, choose the correct vendor, then fill in the item details using the product you returned. Be sure to enter the quantity that was sent back. This step is important because it not only records the credit from the vendor, but also adjusts your inventory count so your stock levels stay accurate. After reviewing the details, click Save and Close. If you already have an unpaid bill from that same vendor, you can apply the vendor credit directly against it. To do that, go back to the plus new button and click Pay Bills. In the Pay Bills window, check both the unpaid bill and the vendor credit. QuickBooks will use the credit to reduce the amount you owe, which keeps your accounts payable accurate and makes sure the return is properly connected to the original vendor balance. If the vendor gives you a refund by cash or check instead of leaving a credit on your account, the next step is a little different. Go to Plus New, then choose Bank Deposit. In the deposit form, select the vendor, choose the original expense account tied to the purchase, and enter the refund amount. This records the money coming back into your bank account correctly. After that, link it using Pay Bills so the refund and the vendor credit are properly matched. That connection is what helps keep your records clean and prevents the return from sitting open unnecessarily. Now, if the refund goes back to your credit card, don't use a vendor credit for that situation. Instead, skip the vendor credit entirely and go straight to Plus New, then select Credit Card Credit. This puts the money back onto the credit card account in the correct way and avoids creating extra transactions you don't need. As a general tip, always make sure the vendor, item, account, and amount match the original purchase as closely as possible. That helps keep your reporting accurate and makes reconciliation much easier later on. And that's how to record purchase returns in QuickBooks Online.